Hello guys, how to fix Srttrail txt BSOD error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. As you all know, BSOD errors are the most frustrating of all since this cause the OS to crash and lead to the loss of unsafe data. The error is generally encountered when you turn on the computer, but there is a possibility of it occurring when the system is in use. The message reads, automatic repair could not repair your PC Srttrail txt in Windows 11. After it occurs, you will find the log file at C Windows System 32 Logfiles Srttrail.txt. This path is mentioned and presented with two options, shutdown or advanced options. If you choose the former, means shutdown, Windows will enter an endless reboot loop. The error could happen due to several reasons, with each having a specific fix. And the fix is you will have to enter a startup repair mode. To enter a startup repair mode, start your system, then just after the manufacturer's logo disappears and Windows 10 tries to boot, press and hold the power button down for 5 to 10 seconds to perform a hard shutdown. Repeat this process 2 more times. On the third boot attempt, Windows will boot into the repair environment such type. Windows will now preparing automatic repair mode. On black screen, diagnosing your PCs. Wait for a while, it will take some times, few minutes. You should wait to appearing automatic repair windows, and automatic repair windows will appear. Your PC did not start correctly. A message here, you should choose the option advanced repair. Automatic repair, your PC did not start correctly, so choose the option advanced repair. Choose the option advanced repair, click on it, and here choose the option troubleshoot, then choose advanced options again. Now a list of tools will appear. Here choose the option command prompt windows. In command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on a screen. bcdedit set default recovery enabled no. All these commands will available in my video description. You may copy from there. Simply copy it and paste in command prompt windows and press enter. After the command is executed, restart your computer. Then repair master boot record mbr. Again copy this page bootrec.exe, rebuildbcd, and paste it in command prompt window and press enter. Then execute the command bootrecovery.exe fixmbr. All this command as per thereafter choose this command fixboot. Simply copy it, press enter, paste it in command prompt windows and press enter. Thereafter verify device partition. Type bcdedit and thereafter now check if partition C is listed next to device and OSD device. Thereafter choose execute these two commands one by one followed by enter key, and lastly run sfc command to scan your system for corrupted file system and restart your system. Your problem will be definitely resolved. That's all.